What's up guys? For today's video, circuit workout yung gagawin natin. 15 exercise, 30 seconds work, 20 seconds rest yung exercise or yung circuit routine natin. Kasama natin si It's Me, Apple. So yan guys, prepare yourself and ready tayo. Beginner friendly to. Okay, 10 seconds. First workout natin is squat then up. Okay, warm up lang muna. 2, 1, go. Yan. Dahan-dahan lang. Slow and controlled. Yung first 5 exercise natin is for warm-up. Para mag-flow lang yung blood natin sa system natin. Para hindi tayo mahirapan mamaya. 15 seconds. Dahan-dahan lang. 4, 3, 2. Okay, rest ng konti. Inhale, exhale. 20 seconds rest. Next exercise natin is wide your stance, then reach down, okay? Para ma-stretch yung hips natin and yung thighs natin. Start muna tayo sa right side, towards the right. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale. Let's go. Woo. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay, next natin is trunk twisting, stretch, then stretch. Okay. Hinga. 10 seconds. Start towards here, okay? 3, 2, 1, and go. Stretch. Make sure to fully stretch your arms para ma-stretch yung trunk nyo. This is just 30 seconds. Okay. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next natin is on the floor tayo. So, from here, step, then twist. Then, other side. Step, then twist. Okay? Baba kayo sa floor, sa mat nyo. Plank position. Start sa left side. 3, 2, step. Dahan-dahan lang, then twist. Dahan-dahan lang, baba. Then, step, then twist. Step, then twist. Twist. Ten seconds. Stretch na mabuti. 3, 2, 1, and stop. Okay, position yourself like this sa may mat. And next natin is cobra. Then, child pose. Cobra. Then, child pose. Okay? Ready? 5, 4, 3. Cobra first. Cobra. Then, child pose. Stretch your upper back. Cobra. Then, child pose. Nice one. Very good. Slow and controlled. Dahan-dahan lang. This is just the warm-up. After this, exercises na tayo for our workout. 7 seconds. 4, 3, 2. Okay, next. Stand up. Next natin is stationary marches. Okay. 10 seconds. Start with this. Okay, start with. Okay, ready? 4, 3, 2, go. Engage your core. Yun yung importante dyan. Ni-engage nyo yung core nyo. Ni-squeeze nyo siya every march. This is just 30 seconds. Move your arms. Swing it like this. Yes. Continue. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, next natin, we will level up jog in place. Okay, 30 seconds. 10 seconds. Ready, position, jog in place. Not so high, relax lang. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, just relax. Don't do it too fast. This is beginner friendly, okay? So, para di po kayo ma-injure at matapos nyo yung buong circuit. Three, two, one. Okay. Next natin is step side, then step side. Pero kung advanced na kayo, you can do jumping jacks. Okay? Pero for now, 1, 2. Okay? 7 seconds. Start natin is step left. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Then close, then up. Good. Nice one. Bring your arms up. Nice one. Let's go. You can do it, guys. Nice one. Woo. Let's go. Let's burn some calories. 10 seconds. Let's go, Ma'am Apple. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, relax. Next natin is, I want you to start here, then run, then touch, then shuffle, then touch. Shuffle, then touch. Okay? So, dito kayo sa dulo, then towards doon muna, sa left, then shuffle, then touch. Shuffle, then touch. Shuffle, then touch. Shuffle, then touch. Good. Dahan-dahan lang yung shuffle, Walang matatapilok. Let's go. 13 seconds. Let's go. Ooh. Come on. Let's go, guys. Push yourself. 2, 1. Okay, good. Nice one. Now, what I want you to do is here, position, then step, small step. Don't go too low, Okay? So, forward ka ng konti, Ma'am Apple. Forward, that's it. Okay? Then step right first, Stretch your arms, then step right. Okay? 2, 1, go. Good. Not too low. This is not lunges. This is just step back. Bring your hands up. Good. Yes. Nice one. 18 seconds. 14 seconds. Come on. Let's go. Bring your hands up. Swing it. 5, 3, 2. Okay. Next, we're gonna do some strength squats. Basic squats. Controlled movement. Okay. Position. 3, 2, 1, and go. Slow and control. Don't rush. Don't rush. Make sure proper form. Go deeper if you can. Five, 4, 3, 2. Okay, next we're gonna go on the floor. We're gonna do kneeling push-ups. Okay, so like this. Then push-ups. But if you can't do kneeling, just put it on the floor, your chest, then down. Okay? 30 seconds, kneeling, push-ups. Go. Slowly, Ma'am Apple. Rest up. Rest up. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Just do it slowly. 19 seconds. 17 seconds. Relax. Come on. Relax, relax. 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 7 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, stand up. Nice one. Rest. Next, we're gonna do still on the floor, but more on static core. So plank position for 30 seconds. Okay? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Hold. 30 seconds, hold. Engage your core. Don't bring your butt up too high. Don't bring it too low. Just flat. Flatten your back. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Next, what I want you to do is lie down on the floor. On your mat, lie down, leg raises. Okay, so we're gonna do leg raises. So stretch your legs, then bring it up just like this, okay? 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. Slow and control, one at a time. Let's go, Mama Apple. Squeeze your lower abs. 20 seconds. 17 seconds. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, relax. Then, last exercise, put your hands on your head like this. This one is challenge, okay? So, flutter kicks. This one is challenge, guys, but finish it, okay? 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, go swim. Not so high. Small lang. You can rest pag hindi kaya. Because this one is hard. Just continue, Ma'am Apple. 20 seconds. You squeeze your lower abs. Don't go down. 15 seconds. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Ooh! So yan guys, 15 exercise. Rest kayo ng 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then do it again, one more set para naka-workout kayo ng at least mga 20 minutes. So yun, thank you for watching. It's me, Apple. Follow nyo siya guys. And yun lang. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.